Top 7 Most Reliable Cars to Buy in 2025. Are you looking for the most reliable cars to buy in 2025? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're counting down the top 7 most reliable cars that will keep you on the road for years. No breakdowns, no headaches, just smooth driving. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting car content. Now, let's get started. First on our list is the 2025 Toyota Camry. Toyota never disappoints, and the 2025 Camry is proof. With its powerful hybrid engine and upgraded safety tech, this sedan will last for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. Plus, it has Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability, new design, same reliability. And now, the 2025 Camry, the next-generation hybrid sedan that is finely tuned to meet your needs and style with the efficiency you want and the power you deserve. From juggling errands to excursions, this sedan is ready to handle all sides of you. Second, we have the 2025 Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to dominate the SUV market with bulletproof engineering and fuel efficiency. Whether you choose the gas or hybrid version, this compact SUV offers low-cost maintenance and high resale value. Perfect for families and adventurers alike. A CR-V hybrid option with a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder Atkinson cycle engine, coupled with 2 electric motors, 18 inches aluminum alloy wheels, perforated leather-trimmed seating surfaces, a 9 inches display audio system, front and rear USB ports, and wireless charging. It takes power, comfort, and fuel efficiency to the next level. Third on the list is the 2025 Lexus RX 350. Lexus equals sign luxury plus durability. The new RX 350 brings refined performance, an ultra-smooth ride, and tech upgrades while still maintaining Lexus's legendary dependability. It's the perfect luxury SUV that won't let you down. Designed to embody the transformation of the Lexus brand, the 5th generation RX luxury SUV brims with impressive features like bold styling, Lexus safety system, plus 3.0 and Lexus Interface multimedia system. The Direct 4 all-wheel drive system rewards you every time you slip behind the wheel. Choose from the RX 350 and the dynamic luxury hybrid SUV, the RX 350h, or indulge in the RX 500h powertrain, the most powerful RX F Sport performance. Fourth, we have the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Mazda is underrated, but the CX-5 proves it's a solid pick with a reliable Skyactiv engine. Known for fun driving dynamics, premium interiors, and outstanding build quality, this is one compact SUV you can trust for years. Elevating the expectations from a compact SUV, the 2025 CX-5 delivers power and performance to spare. It brings together the best of Mazda's capabilities. iActive AWD, working in harmony with the available turbo engine, along with MyDrive modes and G-vectoring control responsible for Mazda's renowned responsive driving dynamics. This is the embodiment of pure driving joy. Fifth on our list is the 2025 Subaru Outback. Subaru's AWD system is built for the long haul, making the Outback a rugged, go-anywhere vehicle. With excellent crash test ratings and a durable boxer engine, this is one of the best cars for reliability in 2025. The Subaru Outback has carved out a completely unique niche in the sport utility space. It's the uncommon adventurous vehicle with the genuine go-anywhere capability that only comes from standard Subaru symmetrical full-time AWD, X-Mode, and generous ground clearance. The new 2025 Subaru Outback continues the tradition with a bold exterior design and an interior with unexpected levels of comfort and refinement. The passenger cabin also delivers plenty of space for everyone, as well as ample versatility for carrying more adventurous gear. To top it all off, the standard roof rails with crossbars make it easy to bring bulkier items along for the ride. Standard on all 2025 trim levels is the enhanced safety provided by the award-winning Subaru EyeSight driver assist system and cameras for better detection capabilities. Sixth, we have the 2025 Honda Accord. The Accord is an absolute workhorse. Honda's reliability means fewer trips to the mechanic. The 2025 model features a hybrid option, a sleek design, and one of the smoothest rides in its class. It's no surprise why it's a top choice every year. Every time we slide behind the wheel of an Accord, we're reminded just exactly what a slam dunk it is. Its cabin is spacious, well-equipped, and practical. The handling is a cut above, bordering on sports sedan greatness. A duo of fuel-efficient powertrains, one a hybrid, provide eager forward motion. The fact that all of this converges in one high-value family sedan is surprising, and it may have you asking, where's the downside? To be blunt, there isn't one. And at number 1, the most reliable car on the list is the Toyota Corolla. The king of reliability. With an impressive hybrid option, low maintenance costs, and Toyota's unbeatable track record, the Corolla is the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-it car. It's perfect for first-time buyers, families, or anyone looking for a trouble-free ride. Is there a perfect car for everyone? If there is, it has to be the 2025 Toyota Corolla, the king of reliability. With an impressive hybrid option, low maintenance costs, and Toyota's unbeatable track record, the Corolla is the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-it car. With the right balance of performance and stunning design, it may be the ultimate compact sedan. And with the choice of the comfortable, reliable Corolla LE, the sharp and stylish Corolla XSE, or the Corolla Hybrid with EIGUD for great fuel efficiency and performance, there's a Corolla that's just right for you. Whichever one you choose, you'll get advanced features like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 and intuitive Toyota multimedia system, so comfort and safety are always front and center. It's perfect for first-time buyers, families, or anyone looking for a trouble-free ride. There you have it, 7 of the most reliable cars to look out for in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car content. See you in the next video. Stay safe and happy driving.